to see there's another crocodile coming in now.
Wenn nicht schauen, wenn nicht. Das ist jetzt nicht so lustig.
Okay, so they're going to try and get it into the water now. They need to spin the wildebeest to try and drown it, basically. Oh, no, it looks like it's got away.